This is the all-pedal Galacta Vise Compressor. It's a great sounding compressor pedal, and the unique thing about it is it's sold as a kit, so you can put this pedal together yourself. It comes in a box with the enclosure and all the parts that are needed. The board's already populated with surface mount components, and then additional through-hole components are installed by the user. Starting with the capacitors, you solder those in, and then you move on to the potentiometers. You solder those in as well. It has instructions how to do everything. You'll also install the additional components like the in-out jacks and the power jack, and then install the foot switch into the enclosure. Once that's all in, then you break off the part where the input and output jacks are on, and then you install the rest of the circuit board into the pedal and tighten everything up and put the knobs on, and you have a finished pedal. It takes about 30 to 45 minutes to put it all together, and you have a great sounding compressor pedal at an affordable price. So let's go through the controls on this pedal. We have mix, presence, attack, level, and sustain. And mix, we go from the left, we got our dry signal. We're mixing in our compression. Presence, we're kind of boosting a little bit of the top end. That usually compression tends to kind of suppress those high frequencies, so we can get a little more presence out of it while compressing the signal. We got the Tack Control here. This is the level, kind of control the overall level of the pedal. And then we have the sustain, so this is kind of the compression amount. I'm playing on a Telecaster with Vaughn Skow Pickups and going into the Galacta Vise Compressor, and then into a TC Electronic Alter Ego X4, and then into a Vox AC30. So let's dial in some compression sounds and hear what kind of sounds we can get with this pedal.